We liked the idea of moving to a little bit more of a village location, and that was a big reason that we came this way.
Well, we've never had a new build before, so I think we like the idea of that and we like the area.
It was really nice to start with an absolute blank canvas and kind of design it specifically to suit ourselves. So we spent quite a bit of time in the garden, so there's quite a large patio area, which is great for when we have family visiting with us and barbecues.
The children really enjoy living here. They like the green space as well, and in fact our son, who is 17, said he wished we'd have done it years ago because he'd have been out playing all the while.
I think one of the things that was really important for you was you really wanted that big kitchen.
Yes.
To get that kind of family together feel, and that's been a real positive impact. You know, we like to sit at an evening with the kids if they're here and have dinner all together.
Yeah.
And the way this particular house is set out, we now look out into the garden, which feels great.
Yeah, because we can use the garden as well as an extension to the kitchen, so it all flows really nicely.
We actually lived in Victorian houses before where every weekend was kind of involved in repair and maintenance, so actually it's quite nice to be in a new build where everything is new, and pristine and...
Very easy to decorate.
Yeah.
Straight walls.
Really allows you to live your life rather than kind of spend it repairing the building.